Can you install a rooftop cargo box on Chrysler 300? As a Chrysler 300 owner, you may be wondering if it is possible to install a rooftop cargo box on your vehicle. The answer is yes, you can install a rooftop cargo box on a Chrysler 300. Rooftop cargo boxes are a convenient way to add extra storage space to your vehicle, especially if you are going on a road trip or need to transport bulky items. They can easily be attached to the roof of your car using crossbars or a roof rack system. Before purchasing a rooftop cargo box for your Chrysler 300, you will need to make sure that it is compatible with your vehicle's roof rack system or crossbars. It is important to check the weight limit of your roof rack system to ensure that it can support the weight of the cargo box and its contents. Once you have purchased a rooftop cargo box that is compatible with your vehicle, you can follow the manufacturer's instructions for installation. Typically, rooftop cargo boxes are secured to the roof rack system using clamps or mounting hardware. It is important to make sure that the cargo box is properly secured to prevent it from shifting or becoming loose while driving. Overall, installing a rooftop cargo box on a Chrysler 300 is a relatively simple process that can provide you with additional storage space and convenience for your travels. Just make sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions and ensure that the cargo box is securely attached to your vehicle before hitting the road. How to choose a cargo box for Chrysler 300. When it comes to choosing a cargo box for your Chrysler 300, there are a few key factors to consider to ensure you make the right choice. First and foremost, you'll want to determine the size of the cargo box that will best suit your needs. Consider how much extra storage space you'll need and what items you plan on carrying in the cargo box. Make sure to measure the dimensions of your Chrysler 300's roof to ensure that the cargo box will fit securely and not obstruct your view while driving. Next, consider the material of the cargo box. Cargo boxes are typically made from either plastic or metal. Plastic cargo boxes are lightweight and easy to install, while metal cargo boxes offer increased durability and security. Choose the material that best suits your needs and budget. Another important factor to consider is the mounting system of the cargo box. Make sure that the cargo box comes with a secure mounting system that will keep it in place while driving at high speeds. Look for features such as adjustable clamps or straps that will securely attach the cargo box to your Chrysler 300's roof rack. Additionally, consider the aerodynamics of the cargo box. Look for a sleek and aerodynamic design that will reduce wind resistance and noise while driving. This will not only improve your fuel efficiency but also make for a smoother and quieter driving experience. Lastly, consider any additional features that may be important to you, such as built-in locks for added security, dual-sided opening for easy access to your belongings, or a glossy finish for a stylish look. By considering these factors and doing thorough research, you can confidently choose the perfect cargo box for your Chrysler 300 that meets all your storage needs and enhances your driving experience.